So recently, I have watched this Kendal Jenner makeup look away on all over Instagram and TikTok, but I haven't found any specific kind of makeup tutorial on this. So as a beauty blogger, I thought, why shouldn't I create a makeup tutorial on this? So first, to get this look, I have mimicked the hairline. Hairline and facial structure can create a instant difference when you are creating a look. So for this look, main two things will be contour and highlight. Obviously, when you are mimicking a look, contour and highlight, basically building a facial structure and reducing it, is the main part. So I'm using my usual Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and obviously not in my shade. I always like to use the lighter shade. So I'm using in this specific places, this will be the specific facial structure where I can look at the face of Kendall, how it has been highlighted, and those are the places which are highlighted. And also I am first time using soap brows, which is basically using your soap as your brow, you know pomade or something, to really keep it in the place. And actually I was really amazed by that. And to blend the concealer, always, if you want a bigger and much more coverage, keep it for some time, then use your setting spray or any kind of toner you have, and then blend it in that specific places. So after blending in the specific places, you can see a certain kind of hollowness is on my face. And then I'm applying the contour, which is, this is not basically contour shade, this is my lipstick shade. I thought to create a warmer look, this shade would be perfect. So use your contour. If it is warm toned, it will be really good. Cool toned would be a little too not in the zone for the candle look. So this will be the contour places I have contoured. Then as you can see, I have not used any kind of foundation. I have basically used concealer and contour. So to keep everything in one place, I'm using a compact powder, and this compact powder is in my shade. This is from Lakme 95. So you can basically use any compact you have. You can use banana powder as well, and just go all over the place to create everything in one look. Then I'm using a eyeshadow which is just next to nothing. I think all the looks like Kendall, Kylie, the eyeshadow and everything where which they apply is just next to nothing, but somehow it creates a certain kind of specific look which everyone love. So I'm using a warmer brown tone and applying it all over my eye crease. We are not going it into the eyelid. Just follow how I'm doing it here and go over your contour. That was a place where I have applied the contour as well. So it will be just mimicking a fox kind of eye, or which is looking called siren eye as well. So after applying a little bit, just a hint of shimmer shade, which is also next to nothing, we are going to apply eyeliner. And this eyeliner will be a really light wing. Also, if you want to create this kind of eye look, which I will suggest, if you're not able to do the eyeliner in the first foremost, you can use your eyelash first, apply eyelash in a certain shape, then apply the eyeliner. So it will be really helpful to apply. I have also applied here on the other eye the eyelash, and you can see that there is a certain blank under my eyes which I haven't filled yet, and those will be the place where I am applying the eyelash just over the eyeliner. So it will create a certain shape over your eye. You are not going all around your eye just as usual. we are going to create, look like this. I don't know how to explain it. This is how you should apply the eyelash on your eyeliner. Then there will be a certain kind of hollowness. You can look at that. You can just fill this place with eyeliner. Also, at this moment, I'm wearing 3 t-shirts because it is so cold here. Winter just came through in the eastern India part. When you are doing this kind of looks now, there are really specific things you need to see through the look. I see through the look basically with a this kind of eyeliner and contour and highlight, which for me is the basic part. So I have applied a white eye kohl on my eyeline, and now I'm highlighting in this specific parts. I have applied a liquid highlighter here first because I want to make you guys see which are the places you need to highlight, because sometimes with powder highlighters we are not able to see that. And over this liquid highlighter, now I'm applying a silverish, obviously, highlighter. So the highlighter will be strong, as well as you will be able to see the prominent where you have to apply the highlighter for this look. Now I have applied 2 shades. Basically you can go with any nude next to nothing shade. I don't know why I'm keep saying this, but I think everything they apply is just next to nothing, but somehow it creates a certain kind of look. So after changing and everything, this is how I look. And don't forget to tie your head in really tight ponytail or bun, because that will be also specific, and look as much snatched as you can. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching.